Welcome to Simple Software Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Adobe XD's alignment tools to better align content on your document. So in my last video, I showed you how to easily auto-populate user profile photos and names using some plugins. Now, as you can see on here, it's kind of spaced out okay, but not really. It's not perfect. So the nice thing about this is that I could do it manually, but there are ways to do it using these alignment tools up here on the top right. So what I'm going to do is, first thing you want to do is group content together that you want to stay together. So I want the user profile photo and their name together. So I'm just going to highlight both of those, and I'm going to Control G to group it, or Command G. So I just want to group these together. Now what I could do is I can go into my layers and I can go in and I can rename these groups at some point to make it easier on myself in the future. But I'm not doing that right now. But just keep in mind that you can do that. So now what I want to do is I want to have these evenly spaced, because we can see that there's some gaps and they're not all evenly spaced. So what we can do is we can look at these tools over here. So this one is going to align them to the top. So if I had them spread out across the top, this would put them all at the same height. This is going to align them in the middle, and then this would align them at the bottom. And then what this is going to do is distribute them horizontally. So let's give this one a try here. So that's not what we want, because it's trying to get them all aligned horizontally. So I'm going to Control Z to undo that. So let's try this one over here. So this one's going to distribute them vertically. So what we have over here is this is going to align to the left, this is going to align to the center, and I can click on these. They're already aligned to the left. We can align them to the center, because you can see some of these have shorter names or longer names. We can align them to the right, so it's going to align to the right of what we are, the furthest item is to the right. I want to keep them aligned to the left, so I'm going to keep that, but I want them all evenly spaced. So that's going to be this right here. So this distribute vertically. So I'm going to click on that. And as you can see, it's spaced them out a bit better. So now I can get them fitting on my page much more better here. So it looks a lot better. Then I can resize, I can do whatever I want. But that way they're all distributed in a nice orderly fashion. So I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more helpful tutorials. Check out my website, simplesoftwaretutorials.com. And have a great day. Thanks so much for tuning in.